Vegetable shortening, healthy.
Noodle. It looks like a bird doing the you know what.
Your drink, you're tasting it already?
Tastes amazing. Tastes exactly like what toilet water should taste like. Alright, so much. Ew! Stepped on chicken juice.
I ain't gonna lie, me too, but
It doesn't look like caramel yet.
Alright.
I thought they said we were supposed to wait for the sugar to melt.
Wait.
What?
Wow.
Magic box? Can I have pickles? Okay, this magic box is nothing like the game. Hey, you're fired.